Hello, family. What's going on inside? Just wanted to show y'all a little bit of where I'm at right now. I'm at what they call Relaxation, Cali, which is pretty much a water park here in the middle of Cali, Colombia. Let me show y'all. Here with my family and friends. So they got a little water park. It's like the Colombian Great Wolf Lodge. Divertido. Oh, where's your agua? Moto? I don't know what the hell she said. All I heard was water. Did anybody understand what she said? She over there pouting. But yeah, they got a swimming pool. And then they got a mineral pool for mineral water, natural springs over here. And this got, this brick is hot because of the sun. But yeah, I'm in Cali, Colombia. This is about 40 minutes outside the city of Cali. So they got the mineral water or the adult pool. I gotta put my feet in here because the darn brick. I didn't got no flip flops, so my feet are hot. But yeah, you got a little water slide. Of course, it's on the side of a mountain. God damn it. That mountain where my resort was at, my Airbnb was at, was a beast. But it's real beautiful out here, man. This is lovely. And as you can see, we got some eye candy all around. Now, the good thing about this spot here is that, it is close to Cali. You can, they got little cabins here. So if you wanted to just stay the night, you could stay the night here too. And it was only like $5 to get up in this piece. Yeah, because I think I spent, it was $78 for all 4 of us. So $1 equals 4 pesos. So $40 equals 10 pesos. 40 pesos equals $10. So, and it was 70. So it's pretty much $20 for all of us to get up in here. But you better bring your cash, because in order to get in here, you need cash, and they don't take American Express. Visa. Remember that commercial? How they used to always do the little resorts and all the different little exotic places, and they'd be like, you better bring your cars, because they don't take American Express. So they also got the American adult water slides right here. So if you want to go up the real water slide for the adults, you can. And then, of course, they got restaurants where you can sit down and eat. Yes, as I said, I like it. It's nice. So this is the side of Colombia that people fail to show you. Well, the people that I hang with, the passport bros, they don't show you this side. So that's why I'm here to give you the 360 degrees of what goes on here in Colombia. When you're not out here just chasing skirts, because that's what you stubbed my toe, y'all. Ow. Gotta be a man about it. Suck it up, suck it up, suck it up. So, yeah, wanted to show you this part. Hope I didn't cut anything. See, that's why I need some damn flip-flops. But yep, they got little cabins. If you're trying to stay the night, you can come and stay the night here in the cabins, but this way you get in. And at night, of course, they turn on the lights and they turn on the music and everybody starts dancing. But yeah, those are the cabins right there. So if you're looking to spend the night here, you can take a cabin and spend the night. Great for the kids. As you can see, they got plenty of stuff to do for the children. He over here by himself. Better get in the pool. Ooh, I forgot my swimsuit. Sucks to be you. So, but yeah, just wanted to show you around this place that my tour guide is showing me. This place is real dope. Very, ambiance is very good. Very basica, but nice. She said this is, a family park. Here's a map. So if you need to know the name, it's right there. Los Arianas Parque Acuático. Arianas Parque Acuático here in Cali, Colombia. And these are everything, all of the amenities they got. Ooh, very nice. Let me come over here. Nice little waterfall. I need to go up in there my damn self. I told you these stones is hot. Mineral water. Very beautiful, very beautiful. I'm starting to love Cali, man. This Cali, I'm starting to see what they mean by it's all about how you move. I'm really starting to see that. So I'm heading back to my seat to go sit down. But I hope y'all enjoyed the little tour of the water park, Arianas. We over here chilling. All right. Signing off. We'll talk later. Hope y'all are enjoying the little sights. And I'm gonna let that ball, that dude been splashing me with that ball for a minute. I ain't even gonna pick that ball up. Let me show you this little ball right here. Sorry. Y'all know what? I'm trying to get it to the, there we go. See that little ball? This little rascal right here been running around splashing me with that ball. I should kick that ball over to the water slide so we couldn't get it. So we're back over here to the kids section. Everybody got wet. Looks good, everybody. Hope you're liking it. Love seeing my people. This is my table, the black people's table.
What are you thinking?
Nothing.
Well, now it's like fresh. The sun goes down. It's cloudy.
Nazarelis was talking about the water. Who was she mad about? Oh, y'all didn't see her?
You want to talk to me?
Yeah.
No, my friend. I know what was the sun. Now it's no sun there.
Oh, it's about to get real cold with no sun. All right, y'all. I'm out. Peace.